Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint flavor hookah. First, ensure you have all your essential supplies ready, including a clean hookah, fresh charcoal, and sturdy foil. Next, choose a premium mint-flavored shisha tobacco. Quality makes a huge difference. Finally, fill your hookah base with cold water, ensuring the downstem is submerged by approximately 1 inch for optimal filtration and cooling. Now, let's prepare the shisha. Gently fluff your mint tobacco to allow for excellent airflow, which is crucial for a smooth draw. Pack the shisha loosely into your bowl, leaving a small gap, about 1/8 of an inch, from the rim to prevent burning. Then, cover the bowl tightly with heavy-duty foil, poking between 10 and 15 small, evenly spaced holes using a toothpick or poker. Next, we'll manage the heat. Light 3 to 4 pieces of natural coconut charcoal until they are fully glowing red on all sides. Carefully place 3 of these hot charcoals evenly around the edge of your foil-covered bowl. Monitor the smoke and adjust the charcoal placement, or add the 4th piece as needed to maintain a consistent, enjoyable heat level throughout your entire session. Finally, it's time to enjoy. Allow your hookah to heat up for about 5 to 10 minutes before taking your first gentle puff. Inhale slowly and steadily to draw the refreshing minty smoke through the water, savoring the cool flavor. Remember to clean your hookah thoroughly after each use. This preserves the flavor and ensures many more enjoyable sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.